Oatmeal is a wheat-free, high-fiber, low-sugar grain, most commonly eaten as a warm and creamy breakfast. It is delicious on its own or topped with fruit and honey, and can even be blended into smoothie or baked into breads and cakes. Here are 10 powerful health benefits of oats. 1. It helps to lower cholesterol. Oats contains beta-glucan, which is a type of fiber that has been proven to reduce cholesterol levels significantly, by as much as 20%. By eating more oats, you will be helping to reduce the risk of plaque buildup on the walls of your arteries, which in turn reduces LDL bad cholesterol and prevents heart disease. 2. It improves digestion. 1 cup of oats meets 68% of your daily dietary fiber requirement, which makes it the top choice for digestive health. Sufficient fiber keeps your bowel movements regular, eliminates waste and keeps you fuller for longer. 3. It's a heart-healthy meal. Every bowl of oats contains essential fatty acids, fiber, magnesium, folic acid and calcium, which makes the perfect combination for a healthy heart. The soluble fiber helps to keep arteries free from plaque buildup and keeps blood sugar balanced, while the calcium, magnesium, folic acid and essential fatty acids help to nurture your cardiovascular system back to peak form. 4. It keeps blood sugar balanced. An imbalanced blood sugar causes insulin spikes which are detrimental to your health, eventually leading to diabetes, weight gain and heart disease. The high level of fiber combined with the low level of sugar makes oats the perfect meal to keep blood sugar balanced, which helps to manage or reduce the risk of developing diabetes. 5. It's full of iron. Red blood cells are the oxygen transporters in your body, and iron helps to keep them in full force. 1 cup of oats contains 41% of the daily required amount of blood-healthy iron, which helps to eliminate fatigue and anemia, as well as giving your vital organs more oxygen for better performance. 6. It's packed with energy. Many athletes swear by oats because of its wonderful, slow-release energy, offering 300 calories per half cup. It serves as a rich source of complex carbohydrates as well as offering protein, vitamins and minerals, making it the ultimate go-to meal if you want long-lasting, filling energy. 7. It's a rich source of protein. While it may be hard to believe, oatmeal meets over half of your daily requirement of protein in just a 1-cup serve, offering up to 26 grams of pure and cholesterol-free muscle power. 8. It's loaded with magnesium. Magnesium helps to reduce fatigue, muscle cramps, stress and gives you better, deeper sleep, making it an essential mineral for optimum health. Just 1 cup of oats gives you 69% of your daily requirement of magnesium, making it one of nature's richest sources of this vital mineral. 9. It helps you to lose weight. Each cup of oats contains only 9% fat and 68% fiber, which makes it a weight loss-friendly meal that is both delicious and satiating. The fiber ensures that you stay fuller for longer, while simultaneously eliminating excess waste and fluids from your colon, leaving you feeling and looking lighter. 10. It's full of vitamins and minerals. Each serving of oats is power-packed with vitamins and minerals which help to optimize every system in your body. It contains iron, calcium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, zinc, copper, chromium, B vitamins, phosphorus, amino acids and antioxidants, as well as being full of protein, fiber and complex carbohydrates, making it a rich source of healthful nutrition. For the latest health videos, please subscribe to this channel.